Robert Bruce wasn't your typical guru. Born in the Australian outback, he was a hands-on, no-nonsense individual who experienced spontaneous out-of-body experiences as a child. Frustrated by the vague, mystical language surrounding astral projection, he set out to create a systematic, logical framework. His book Astral Dynamics is a product of decades of practical experimentation. Bruce's approach is unique because he treats astral projection not as a supernatural gift, but as a natural skill, like learning to ride a bike. He stripped away the esoteric jargon and provided clear, step-by-step instructions. For example, he introduced the concept of the subtle body as an energy-based counterpart to our physical form, governed by its own set of laws. This demystification made astral projection accessible to thousands who had previously felt intimidated. Bruce's work is a testament to the power of pragmatic spirituality. At the heart of Bruce's model is the subtle body, an energy body that interpenetrates and extends beyond the physical. Think of it as a blueprint or template that holds our consciousness. Bruce describes it as having layers, including the etheric, astral, and mental bodies. Each layer corresponds to different levels of perception and reality. For instance, the etheric body is closely tied to the physical and is responsible for sensations like tingling or vibrations during projection. The astral body allows travel in the astral plane, where thoughts shape reality. Bruce emphasizes that the subtle body is not a passive entity. It can be trained and strengthened through specific exercises. This is analogous to building muscle. Regular practice enhances its flexibility and range. Understanding this energy vehicle is crucial because it's the tool you'll use to navigate the unseen realms. Without this foundation, attempts at projection can feel chaotic and unfocused. Bruce's master key technique is tactile imaging, which bypasses the common obstacle of visual imagination. Many people struggle to see images in their mind's eye, but everyone can feel touch. Tactile imaging uses the sense of touch to stimulate the subtle body. For example, instead of visualizing a rope, you imagine the sensation of pulling yourself up hand over hand. This activates the energy body more directly. Bruce suggests starting with simple exercises like feeling your hands rubbing together without actually moving them. This builds the energy awareness necessary for projection. Historically, similar techniques appear in Tibetan dream yoga and shamanic journeying, but Bruce systematized them for modern practitioners. Scientific studies on proprioception, body awareness, support the idea that mental imagery of movement activates similar brain regions as actual movement. Tactile imaging is practical, accessible, and effective, a true game changer for aspiring projectors. Bruce provides a detailed cartography of the non-physical realms, dividing them into 7 primary planes accessible through projection. The first is the real-time zone, a mirror of our physical world, but without solid matter. Next come the astral planes, where thought creates reality and you can meet guides or explore symbolic landscapes. Higher planes involve pure consciousness and universal knowledge. This map is not just theoretical. Bruce gives practical tips for navigating each plane. For instance, in the real-time zone, you might see your bedroom but with subtle differences, a book misplaced, a shadow that moves oddly. In the astral planes, your intentions shape the environment, so clarity of purpose is key. This echoes the ancient Hermetic principle as above, so below. By understanding this hierarchy, you can set goals for your projections, whether it's exploring the past, healing, or gaining wisdom. Bruce's map turns a chaotic experience into a structured adventure. One of Bruce's most profound insights is that the astral realm acts as a psychic mirror, reflecting your inner state. Fear, doubt, and unresolved emotions manifest as obstacles or frightening entities. This is not a sign of danger, but an invitation to heal. For example, if you encounter a threatening figure, it may represent a part of yourself you've suppressed. Bruce advises confronting these projections with love and understanding, which dissolves them. This aligns with modern psychology's concept of shadow work. Carl Jung described the shadow as the unconscious aspects of our personality. Integrating it leads to wholeness. Practically, Bruce recommends daily meditation to cultivate emotional balance and self-awareness. Before projecting, set a clear intention to explore with compassion. This internal preparation is as important as any technique. By mastering your inner world, you transform the astral plane from a place of fear into a realm of profound growth. Bruce's practical manual finds a dramatic parallel in Robert J.R. Graham's Resonance Code trilogy. The series follows characters who must master energy dynamics to heal fractures in reality, a fictional allegory for Bruce's teachings. In the books, resonance is a key concept, aligning one's energy with higher frequencies to access hidden realms. This directly mirrors Bruce's emphasis on raising your vibrational state through techniques like tactile imaging. The trilogy's protagonist undergoes a journey of self-mastery, facing inner demons that are literal manifestations of their fears, exactly as Bruce describes the psychic mirror. Graham even references astral projection as a tool for the characters. This crossover shows that Bruce's ideas are not just esoteric, but have inspired creative works that explore the same principles. By understanding Bruce's system, readers can appreciate the deeper layers of the resonance code and see it as a guide for their own inner adventures. Now that you have the roadmap, it's time to take action. Start with daily tactile imaging exercises. Spend 10 minutes feeling energy in your hands. Keep a dream journal to increase awareness of your subtle experiences. Practice relaxation techniques like progressive muscle relaxation to reach the hypnagogic state, the gateway to projection. Join online communities or find a buddy for accountability. Remember, consistency is key. Bruce himself practiced for years before mastering projection. Set small goals, like observing your bedroom from the ceiling, and gradually explore further. Most importantly, approach this journey with curiosity and self-compassion. The astral plane is a mirror of your consciousness. Every experience is an opportunity for growth. As you embark on this path, you'll discover that the unseen is not separate from you. It's an extension of your own being. The universe within is as vast as the one without. Happy travels.